Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor again. In today's episode, we'll talk about Aclaris Therapeutics, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name ICRS. Well, ICRS today is showing indeed an incredible move from almost area of $6. We are now trading 18.20, and it's still intraday, although only 13 minutes left till the end of the trading session. I don't think the candle itself will change much. It's a white candle with a big step up, and also showing some significant upwards and downward shadows here. And of course, this is no way technical situation. It's purely news driven, and the news is of course that there are positive results on the one of the trials for Aclaris Therapeutics. And the question is, okay, what's next? Because if you think of this, is it a game changer? What's going on? How we can play further? And of course, first of all, when we look at these situations and these stocks, this is kind of a FDA kill or kiss situation. In this case, of course, it's kiss, and we still need to not forget that for company capitalization, it's only about $817 million, and for company of this size, these kind of moves are very well expected. And usually the way positive trials news are traded is a big jump and then actually decline, usually forming a V shape. That's a classical approach, classical situation you can see, you can expect. So something like this, or volatility, and then something like this. So this is the best way to play, because any other play would be technically or historically, let's say, knowing the experience of trades on these situations, will be unsupported. Also, we do not need to forget that previously, before this news was disclosed, what happened is the moving averages here, and by the way, as we speak, always we have here three moving averages depicted, moving average 20, 50, and 200 being green, blue, and red line correspondingly. Here on the left you see the legend. So speaking of moving averages, before today's news, they were already decelerating. So moving average 20 was bending. Also the price was of course going through it. You can see trying to go a little bit lower and test the level of 5.5, which was the obvious next support line to play. But now this news changed the game style, and it's going up. And of course, with this, we were expecting for deceleration and kind of reconfirmation of the current wave. But now we see that this price action, and look, the volume is incredible. Volume is incredible, and what it usually means, it means actually huge, a lot of stocks of course traded, because people entering in and out, a lot of people being already with profit. This is indicated by RSI, because this RSI jump, it's not evolutional but slowly, it's really immediate jump. So it means it opens a lot of volume for short sellings, for profit taking, and because in general, yes, the trial news is positive, but it's not yet the end. The news should be still worked through, and to work through the news, to continue the work, the research, the investigation, you need still more money. And what happens usually for companies of these sizes, they might open, also do an offering, and if offering comes, of course, the price will plunder down. And with this being said, we need to be prepared either for U-shaped play or for any corrective moves, and this could be very strong. Again, it's not given it will decline further. Of course, it might still volatile go high, but this will be purely overreaction on the news, could be running several days. But if you look here with this huge jump and then growth, it still might be actually the correction starting from tomorrow. So not really correction, but really a U-shaped formation, or if offering happens, of course, the price will go down, will return to its levels. And this can create, and this can define our play. So first of all, we can already define one of the levels. We do average down. This is in case of, for example, offering or something like that will be proposed. Then we already can say S2, S3, let's call this line, this will be the line of defense. But also we need to be prepared for U-shaped formation. And speaking of U-shape, we need to understand that all this volume, at least before the today's low, is the area where the U-shape can be forming. And with this being said, we need to be prepared for this. So anything, let's say, below 950 would be the level. So 1/3, we can say the classical 1/3 level would be the level to enter first. So V1, and so between anything between V1 and S2 would be the entry opportunity, the first entry opportunity here. So you can enter and then make your U shape. This could be, of course, enormous play. very volatile, up to you. We always, in this case, let's say propose up to 15% profit, but you can take more if you like. Again, don't be too greedy. Don't keep too much, don't stay too much in the stock. Be consistent trading. You can always find other videos at our channel and make play there as well. So be consistent here and know when to exit. You know it better, but our advice is 10 to 15%, usually is more than enough. So this is first play. Should there be offering or some other very negative situation, of course the price can go lower, because it would mean that although the news is positive, but company needs more money to grow on that. And of course then we need to be prepared for stronger support levels, and then of course it would be S1, S4, because by that time it will be also double support with moving average 50 being in that vicinity. So this would create us a secondary support level. And again, as it always happens, if after this news it will be some incredibly bad, incredibly negative, not only offering but something else, a kind of doomsday scenario, not given at all it's going to happen, but we always do this at our channel to be prepared, so to avoid any losses at our prognosis. This would be the next level, the final level for average down, really unpenetrable almost support, also with moving average 200 there as support line. S5, S6, this would be the last entry opportunity. People always misunderstand the videos when they quickly watch at the end. They say, oh, you prognosed very low decline. No, it's not prognosed. These are not prognoses. These are entry points in case if prognosis goes really nasty or there is a news catalyst negative driving price down. And the prognosis actually, this is technical prognosis, how to play, how to enter and make a swing. And you can see this is actually the play area. It's V1, S2. All the rest is just defense in order to avoid losses. So with this being said, it's advised here to play with so-called 1-1-2 strategy, meaning that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 4, then you can buy one portion in this V1, S2, then again average down with one portion S1, S4. And if needed, not at all expected, but average down last time at S5, S6. This is more defensive average down strategy with 4 portions. But it's good to be there. According to the entry levels described with dark circles, you can enter. And why we choose 4, why we choose very defensive, and in one of the videos we will discuss it. For members, by the way, membership will be announced soon at our channel, where we will discuss and reveal some secrets of trading and strategies that I use at our channel. Please stay tuned and watch upcoming videos. So here the situation with 4 is because still for company of this small size, relatively small size, and possible declines of, I'm very, let's say, being very sensitive to the news, we need to be prepared for deep average downs. It might take longer if it goes really down, if things go wrong, but it's better to be very defended and always profit taking at the end of the game. That's the strategy we pursue at this channel. So with this having said, good luck with ACRS. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also watch other videos at our channel. There are many videos we place daily. And stay tuned, please press the bell button, this way you will not miss our new videos. And by the way, speaking of not missing new videos, you can check our free mobile application. Please check in the description to this video, the link is available there. With this mobile application, you'll always be able to see latest 14 videos uploaded to our channel without need directly go manually on YouTube and checking if there is an update. And if you want to see a video like this, you just press the appropriate button next to the ticker name in that application. You will be returned to the video on YouTube channel and watch it. So similar video to this one, from where you understand details of how to trade with this stock of your choice. So good luck with this and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.